Hello, my name is Candace Smith-MacKenzie. I'm a software engineering student at the Flatiron School in New York City. I'm in phase 1, and here is my first project. It features vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. I'm using an open API that has 5 endpoints. I, however, am only using 2. And as you can see, my project is a Shakespearean translator. And I now will show you some of its functionality. So basically, I have a nav bar that I got from a website called Materialize CSS. And over here is a collapsible drop-down menu. So I have directions, info, and sources. And if you click directions, it'll pop down and then you can read that. And if you want to go straight to info, you can click info and it'll go there. And if you click sources, it'll go there. If you click sources, it'll close. It also works from any of the buttons. If you click any of them. The main feature of this particular project is right here. This is the translator, and it says insert your text here, and then you get a translation, and then you hit the translate button. The translate button basically triggers my fetch, and I have to admit that the funnier thing that you put in, the funnier thing you get back. So I'm going to ask it why my dog smells bad. I hope that doesn't offend anyone, but why? Let's just put my dog smell. Why does my dog smell? And then it returns, wherefore does my dog smelleth, which I think is kind of funny. If you put in something really long and get a really long translation, you do have to use the backwards and forward arrows to navigate this little text area. I also wanted to show you one of my favorite features, and that is if you sort of hover over Shakespeare's image over here, this hand appears, and if you click him, it triggers a different fetch, excuse, and it actually opens up a modal, and in that modal would be an insult. So Shakespeare is basically a randomizer button, and I really enjoyed creating that. And thou churlish, dismal, dreaming strumpet, lovely. And if you click this button over here, it dismisses it. And if you click them again, you get a different insult. So some days, if you feel like being insulted, you can just keep clicking on Shakespeare and he will just insult you all day long. And basically, that's my first project. I hope you enjoyed it and have a nice day. Bye.